What's up, millionaire brother? So my millionaire brother, today video is going very special because the market cap has totally gone up. Congratulations everyone. The reef price is also increasing. So reef for reef holder, congratulations again. Today video is going very special. Please, before I get started the live price prediction of reef coin, I request you to please click out the red button, subscribe our YouTube channel. That is news and update. This time, guys, come to the point. The market cap has 2.244 trillion gone up. Oh my goodness, gone absolutely up 2.244 trillion. And BTC domains as 52.09% gone up. So congratulations, absolutely, the market cap result has gone up. And 24-hour volume 127.980 billion up. Congratulations. Let's get started. The Reef Price Finance, you can see here, absolutely gone up. The price as 0.041787 US dollar, absolutely gone up. Congratulations. And this time the rank in market cap is 133. Absolutely, they can cross 100 just at the end of this month. What do you say? Can they can cross it? Also tell me and a comment about the market cap. The market cap of only Reef Finance as 529.291 million US dollar. What a brilliant! This is absolutely gone up. The volume as 163.438 million. Oh my goodness, they also gone up. The volume market cap is 30.88% gone up. Congratulations, my brother. 30% then gone up. So congratulations. Click out the subscribe button if you need this type more informative videos. Okay, guys, come to the point. This time the last 24 hours, you can see here the rand as 10.88% gone up. Absolutely good. And circ, you can see here circle, and the supply as 12.667 billion. What a god, this is gone good value. Absolutely gone good. Total supply as 15.934 billion. Max supply as 20.000 billion gone. Oh my god, total cap, if you check out, 665.5 million US dollar. God, oh my goodness, this is not very good. So my friend, you can let's check out the last 1 hour. See, last 1 hour, first of all, was USD price as 0.6% gone down. So this is very bad news. But the last 24-hour US dollar, you can see 3.4% gone up. So congratulations, the last 4 hour result absolutely gone good. Congratulations, my brother. Let's check out the charts to what's going on in the chart, my friends. The chart result absolutely very important, but BTC is absolutely very important. 1 hour BTC as 0.2% going down, and the last 24 hours 6.1% going up. So my friends, congratulations, this is very good result for you. And the last 7 days BTC gone 4.3% going up. Congratulations. Okay, let's come to the chart. The chart result this time, if you can check out, very bad jump, very bad dump. You can see here check out, and they gone up in the last 24 hours, absolutely very good. But the last and the 14th of April, they gone very down. Check out here, this is very bad down, but they take a very high jump again. So congratulations, my brother, this has gone like a rocket up. So my friends, I hope in upcoming days they're going up like a rocket. So please hold it and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you a very good price. They're going up like a rocket in upcoming days. What you say again? Can they going up like a rocket in upcoming days? Please tell me also in a comment box. But my expectation is very good from Reef Coin. Reef Finance is going up like a rocket in upcoming days. Please wait for a good time. I hope they make you millionaire. They give you a very good price. Allah Hafiz. Take care.